Have you ever wanted to start your own news site, but felt totally overwhelmed by all the writing, design, and constant updates? Yeah, same here. But that's exactly why Broadcaster AI caught my attention. This tool is a total game changer for anyone who's ever dreamed of running a professional news platform without the time, the staff, or the tech skills. So here's what makes Broadcaster AI so powerful. It doesn't just help you create a news site. It builds it for you, and we're talking in under 60 seconds. You literally choose your niche, click a button, and boom, you've got a sleek, professional site that updates itself with fresh, relevant news automatically. Why does that matter? Because it means you can position yourself as an authority in any topic, from tech, to health, to crypto, without ever writing a single article. And if you're like most digital entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, or content creators, you know time is money. Broadcaster AI gives you both back. Here's the real win though, these sites aren't just for show. They're built to make money. You can easily drop in affiliate links, banner ads, lead forms, the tools are already baked in. That means while your site updates itself with trending news, you're quietly building passive income behind the scenes. And it gets even better, Broadcaster AI supports multiple languages, which means your reach isn't limited to just one region. Whether you're targeting a global audience or a local niche, you're covered. Now, I know what you're thinking, okay, but how hard is it to use? Honestly, if you can click a mouse, you can use this tool. No tech background, no coding, no content writing. It's designed to work for you, not against you. And don't worry about setup or maintenance either. You get lifetime hosting, so there are no hidden fees, no subscriptions. Just one low one-time payment, and you're done. What I love most is that you're not just getting a site, you're getting a system. Broadcaster AI includes full training, expert support, and even a commercial license so you can sell these sites to clients. That's right, you could be charging $500, $800, even $997 per site. And building another income stream on top. Now, I've got something special. For those of you who decide to pick up Broadcaster AI through my link, I've put together some awesome bonuses to help you get started faster, scale smarter, and boost your traffic even further. These are exclusive, and they're only available through this offer. So if you're ready to finally break into the booming $1.2 trillion news industry without the stress, without the work, and without the massive investment, this is your shot. Don't wait. The early pricing won't last long, and neither will those bonuses. Hit the link below, check out Broadcaster AI, and get ready to launch your first self-updating, income-generating news site today. And hey, if you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I've got more tools and tips coming your way to help you grow your online business and finally build the freedom you're working toward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.